Sometimes a question will ask you to leave your answer in terms of pi. This means that you treat pi like a variable and only do the arithmetic operations with the remaining numbers in the formula. For example, if a cylinder has a radius of 3 and a height of 4, then its volume will be equal to pi times the radius of 3 squared times the height of 4. Well, 3 squared is 9, and then 9 times 4 is 36. So the final answer for the volume here is 36 pi cubic units. Let's try some more problems like this one. Find the volume. Leave your answer in terms of pi. Well, the volume of any cylinder is equal to pi times the radius squared times the height. So then if we substitute our radius value of 9 in for r, and we also put our 10 there for the height, we can now evaluate this, but again, treat pi as a variable. 9 squared is 81, so we have 81 times 10, and we still have the pi there, and 81 times 10 is 810, and we have pi, and it's cubic meters for our units of measurement. Here's the solution to this example problem, and it does match the work that we did in order to calculate the volume. We squared the radius of 9 to get 81, and then multiplied it by 10 to get 810, and we left pi in our final answer. So the volume is 810 pi cubic meters. Find the volume, leave your answer in terms of pi. Well, for the volume of a cylinder, it's found by multiplying pi times the radius squared times the height. So we still have pi. Now we're given the diameter is 15 feet. So therefore, our radius is going to be half of 15. And we could either write this as a decimal, 7.5, or we could write it as an improper fraction. Doesn't matter. So let's write it as the decimal, 7.5 squared for the radius, and the height is 30. So then if we square 7.5, we'll get 56 and 25/100ths. We still have a pi in front and a 30 behind it. And let's multiply 56 and 25/100ths by 30. And when we do that, we will get 1,687 and 5/10, or a half, pi cubic feet. And here we can see that the solution that's been calculated in this problem does indeed match what we found of 1,687.5 pi cubic feet.